Today in this video, we're gonna talk about some AI-based skills which work with every tool. I have tested dozens of AI tools, so I don't want you to do that work. Today I'm gonna tell you how you can build your own AI workflow and which are the tools which will help you for that. Alright, let's start with the beginners. If you are a beginner and you are just picking up AI, you should go on Coursera and do a course by Andrew Ng, which is around AI for everyone. This is completely free and Andrew literally wrote the book on making AI understandable. Now here's where it gets interesting. The moment you are done with that course, directly jump into ChatGPT prompt engineering for developers by DeepLearning.AI. I know what you are thinking, but I'm not a developer, right? Trust me on this one. This 2-hour course will teach you how to actually communicate with AI effectively. And hey, drop a comment if you learned AI and if you're able to build your own workflows using this tool. Now we go to the next segment of people who are business professionals. You want to use AI, but you are struggling with where to start from. Your AI learning strategy should be laser focused on immediate ROI. Start with Google AI Essentials, same course, but you will approach it very differently. Then here's the game changer. Microsoft Azure AI Fundamentals. Yes, it costs somewhere between $100 to $500, but here's why it's worth every penny. Microsoft's AI tools are becoming standard in corporate environments. Learning this, how you could literally use it, will be your advantage. Let me do a quick reality check. How many of you are already using some AI tools? Please drop the comment and do let me know which tools you use. Now we go to the segment where we have developers and tech professionals. Your path is all about building. Skip the intro stuff and go straight to LangChain, Development and OpenAI Assistants API courses. These will teach you to build custom AI applications that are actually solve real problems. Here's something which most people don't know. GitHub Copilot is now an essential if you are a developer. If you are not using AI-assisted coding, you are basically coding with one hand tied behind your back. AI-assisted coding makes your work really easy. You are able to deliver more as compared to what you have been doing, and it takes away all the stress from your work. Now we go to the next segment, the people who are creative. If you want to use AI, there are multiple tools there. I will tell you which one to choose. Creatives, you are living the most exciting time in history. The AI tools available now would have seemed like magic just 5 years ago. Midjourney mastery is non-negotiable for visual creators. But here's the secret. Don't just learn basic prompting. Learn style consistency, commercial usage. That's what separates weekend warriors from professionals. Making money with AI. Video creators. Synthesia for professional videos. RunwayML for mind-bending effects. Audio folks, ElevenLabs will literally let you clone voices and create content in multiple languages. I'm genuinely curious. Which are the tools which has actually helped you in your creative journeys? Please write in the comment section. That's what separates weekend warriors, or the people who do it for hobby, versus the people who make money out of it. Our next segment is university level people. For those who want the deepest possible understanding, Stanford CS229, MIT machine learning, Harvard CS50 AI with Python are incredible. These are serious time commitments. You have to commit at least 10 to 15 hours per week to get done with this. But once you are done, you are the best in the industry. You are one of the person who become a thought leader over the period. You are the one who will guide the industry. Let me give you some practical advice. There's the same mistake which I promised you in the beginning of a video that I will tell you towards the end. Most of the people try to do everything and they burn out in a week and they leave it. Don't be that person. Pick one of the primary courses, stick with it, have some practical supplement, and just run with that for first 1 month. Once you are done with that, then take the next level, then the next level. Don't just burn yourself by doing everything. Alright, that's your complete learning AI roadmap for 2025. I have put everything in the description with the links, pricing. You can just click there and start your AI journey. See, AI is gonna be an important part of your work. Whether you are creative, whether you are professional, whether you are a technical person, AI is something which you cannot avoid. So right now is the time to start your journey around this. If you like the kind of content we put out, you can subscribe the channel and share this video with your friends, your fellow professionals who can learn from this, who can start their journey around AI.